Welcome to the Wonderland, guys. I decided to make a video about tips, and I'm gonna give you some tips and fitment instructions and all. So, generally, as many know or many don't know, sound of in-ear monitors is highly dependent on the tips you're gonna be using. Um, what you want is a fantastic seal in your ear, so you can make a proper chamber for the sound to be reproduced accordingly how it should be. So my recommendations are obviously silicones are basic first starter. They're not bad, but if you got two different sizes of ears, that happens with some people like myself. One ear gonna be bigger than the other, and if I have two mediums, right one keeps sliding out. If I have large silicones, usually it's not comfortable enough for me to wear. So screw that. What I can recommend if it goes for tips is those hybrid Symbio tips. They are a combination of foam and silicone. That's how they look. You just roll them like typical foam tips. Put them in here, and foam expands and creates a seal. You can do DIY those using foam tips and standard tips. I've seen some tutorials on YouTube how you can like basically remove the core of the foam tip and slide it over the core of a silicone tip, and you have a DIY hybrid tip. Anyway, other silicone tips I can recommend and definitely will are my favorite flanked ones. Flanked ones, how you call it? See, they are like basically stoppers. So they have a double fit. That's how they look. They create a very nice seal. Not had a problem with them whatsoever at any point. But still, if you start getting sweaty or anything like that, they have this standard silicone problem, aka they get slidey and not good. So in general, I always recommend the foam tips of some sort. You need to find there's so many different ones. The sound gonna depend on the core. If it's I probably present you right. So foam tip. These are newbies for £5 of Amazon. Gonna leave the link in the description below, so you can get them for a fiver. They come in nice case like this, 6 sets, so you can choose which size is good for you. And the inside insert core is, as you see, quite flexible. It's silicone based, so that's a newbie. And I can show you a comply foam I have here. That is a comply foam. It uses different core. I think this sounds better because it's stiffer core, so the high end is sounding nicer for my ear. But that's a highly personal experience how you can make a seal. And now I'm gonna show you, because this is the main purpose of this video, how do you correctly insert the in-ear monitors. Let me step back. So obviously you need to check which one's right and left. I'm gonna be using the TRI i3 Pros. So these are fitted with medium-sized foams, as you see. What you do, get it 180 degrees like that down your ear, and tilt your head, ear, put it in and just rotate it in, so it's just, and then put cable over ear with open mouth, so you don't have trapped air, but usually with foam that's not needed. So again, other side, you roll the foam upside downs, and twist them in. You can do it one hand if you want. I prefer two hands, and I have fantastic seal. Both ears. Then you can just rotate them in before this foam sets. Perfect seal. Last thing, you can use your chin slider. And with that way, if you insert the in-ear monitors, I can basically do 10 hours, no problem, without adjusting or anything like that. Because once foam sets, that's it for the day. Hopefully this video was useful to someone. If not, I still made it. Because I do shit. Ha.